Sniffling.
Sniff his throne.
Sniffling.
Crucified.
Okay.
Sniff his throne.
No.
Is the manifestation.
Sniffling.
Look.
We sacrificing.
Alarming if
Crucified.
Sniff his throne. You sniff his throne.
No.
What if I told you that?
Look.
In sacrifice.
Sniff that one. Sniff that.
Crucified.
You sniff his throne.
If you like.
Glorify.
Crucified.
If you like. All of it.
Stiff neck.
Look.
The sniffling.
Look back on my life.
alarming if
Is horrific.
Sniff his throne.
If you like.
Sacrifice.
It's the sniff test.
And you sniff his throne.
Really smart. All of it. Good job. Look.
This is the manifestation.
Crucified.
You sniff his throne.
What life is like.
The sniffling.
Crucified. Is horrific. If you like. Sniffling like. If you can believe it.
Sniff that one. The sniffling.
And you sniff his throne.
That's the sniff test.
Be able. Good job.
I've identified you.
it's a gift from God.
Sniffling like.
Is glorified.
This is the manifestation.
I hear.
If that makes any sense.
You know.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Republicans are sacrificing.
If you can believe it. I hear. It sounds good.
And you sniff his throne.
What we're doing, if you look.
Sanctification.
The strife and. If you think about it.
You sniff his throne.
In sacrificing.
The life of Jesus.
Republicans are sacrificing. If you glory in that kind.
It's a gift from God.
Really smart. Is horrific.
If you're wise, you will.
I have taped. Things happen. Where are you coming from?
Sacrifice their firstborn.
It'll be
Republicans are sacrificing.
It brings life.
what I hear.
Is glorified.
A sacrificial lamb.
You know. If you can believe it.
I've identified you. I'm
The life of Jesus.
Things happen.
The sniffling.
Glorify.
Honest people will have differences of opinion.
stiff-necked people.
It brings life.
I don't know if you know it or not.
Of what life is like on
From what I hear.
And you sniff his throne.
If you're wise, you will.
The making. Did you know? And look, Brian.
If you glory in that kind of
manifestation,
Talk about him, okay?
sacrificial object.
Stiff-necked.
In the making.
The life of Jesus.
They left. I don't know if you know it or not. Been sniffing that stuff. Can you believe it? I love where you're coming from.
Stiff-necked people.
If you glory in that kind of
A human sacrifice.
It's the life of Jesus.
Correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm
From what I hear.
show, and you sniff his throne.
If you think about it. How do you do it?
of what life is like on the
swift blow of the axe.
In the making.
Yeah. The sniffling.
Because this is the manifestation.
A great chemistry.
I've identified you. I'm going to go.
And if we want to get biblical.
Bad things happen. In the making.
MAGA would absolutely crucify him.
I don't know if you know it or not. Presidential Records